BC Door Guy here. We arrived on site to remove and dispose of this existing slide gate operator, then install a brand new one. They were having some issues with their old operator here. One of the main issues they were having was with the battery backup, which should run or open the gate in the event of a power outage. There's a setting to either make it run or stay open on the battery backup module. We had found some pretty bad corrosion on the wiring harness, as well as the terminals on the battery backup unit. This was just one of the issues with this slide gate operator. Sometimes it's best to just outright replace the whole machine rather than chasing that endless chase.